Well, 30 June is just around the corner, the end of another financial year. With that, from 1 July, Payday Super legislation comes into effect. Are you ready to go? For most employers, your process won't actually change. It is just going to be how often you're paying your super. And for most payroll software providers, they have made your life a little easier with tweaks in the process. I'm going to show you now what Xero has done that will make your life a little easier. Here I am in Xero. I've logged into the demo company to show you that Xero has added a button after you have processed your normal wages and filed to the ATO. You can click Make Payment and head straight to Xero's Pay Superannuation screen. If you haven't used Auto Super before in Xero, this will prompt you to set it up. Obviously it looks a little different because I'm in the demo company. Feel free to click through and set Xero Auto Super up in your organisation. But if you need help, we're here to assist. This is just one way that Xero has made changes to help you and make your life easier. Now that this feature is live in Xero, this might be a good way to help ease the cash flow burden come 30 June when you're trying to do quarterly super and super on payday as well. If you're using the ATO Super Clearinghouse, you will need to change the way that you are making payments. But we're here to help every step of the way. Reach out with any questions.